When Heather Adams took early retirement, she turned to her bank, then Abbey National, now Santander, believing they would offer the best advice on how to safely invest her £11,000 pension lump sum. But in just 12 months, Heather discovered her investment had more than halved.
It sounds stupid, but I trusted him to do the best thing for me, and I really felt that he was interested in helping me. He was a financial advisor. I banked with them. Who do you go to for financial advice if not your bank?
After a complaint to the financial ombudsman, Santander eventually apologised and refunded the balance with interest. But Heather still lost out. After she'd paid a company to help with the claim, she was still thousands out of pocket. And Heather's not alone. This year, the number of complaints against banks to the Financial Ombudsman Service has soared to over 1 million.
Bank branch staff are too often incentivised to sell products that are going to bolster the bank's profits, not sell products that are right for the customer. Banks don't make any money on selling savings accounts, but they can make quite a lot of money by selling investment products.
So are banks more concerned about making money for you or making money for themselves? We sent 2 would-be investors undercover to find out.
I'm recently retired. I've got 90,000 which I want to have some advice on how to invest.
And after carefully examining our footage, our independent financial advisors were concerned about some of the sales tactics being used.
At no stage can you lose that money.
Right.
It can't be that you have 50,000 and one day you're looking at it to zero. It simply can't happen.
So it's not been very clear. We've seen charges not very well explained, risk wasn't very well explained, fact finds were rushed, and in some instances we saw them misleading on the charges conversations, confusion on the risk conversations. That doesn't seem like a good deal for clients.
The British Bankers Association say there are enough checks and balances in place to make sure advisors don't push people towards the wrong product. Next week, the bank's regulator, the Financial Services Authority, will produce a report which could limit the products that banks can sell, which will be of some comfort to investors. Penny Haslam, BBC News.